Hey gang, Miss Hairbrush here. Ready to draw a butterfly? Draw the head, thorax, abdomen, and his little eyes, and his little antenna. Now the wings. Butterflies are symmetrical. That means they are the same on the left side and the right side, so I have to be careful to draw the wings as close to the same as I can. Kind of scary. I did it. You can print a free coloring book page of this butterfly by clicking the link in the description. I'll show you some of the butterflies I colored later in the video. You so lucky. I have a small bowl of water for my watercolor brush pens. Start by giving a light orange pen a quick dip in the water and coloring the hind wing. The top wing is the forewing, and the bottom wing is the hind wing. Did you know such a little animal had so many parts? Just small quick strokes all over to color it in. This is a monarch butterfly, one of the most beautiful. Here's one when it's just a caterpillar. Isn't it cute? Then it forms a hard shell called a chrysalis, not a cocoon, and it's green. The caterpillar actually dissolves inside and reforms into a butterfly. Now with a darker orange pen, make a nice big teardrop shape on each of the wings and color that in. You can always pause these videos whenever you need to catch up. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll add some shading to the wings, which will really make it look like a real butterfly. Color a band of darker orange just on the bottom of these wings. With a darker orange, or with the same orange color, add some shading to the top wings. Excuse me, the forewings. Make sure you do the other side. Symmetrical, remember? Okay, get out your black pen. Start filling in the body. Monarchs have little white dots all over them, so make sure you leave white spots like this. Let's give him some legs. That's a nice thing to do. The pattern on the wings is very important. They have black vein lines here and more white spots. Draw circles for the spots and don't worry about it being perfect. Do your best and it will be just fine. You want a nice dark black, so don't use any water on your pen for this part. Look at that beautiful butterfly wing. Now the hind wing. We have to do the same thing on the right side that we did on the left, but I'm going to speed this side up for you. This monarch is colored orange, like the real ones, but you can use these same techniques in any color. Here's one I did in green. Cool! Now get some white paint, or a whiteout pen works very well too. We're going to add some more white dots to the wings that are too small to make with the black pen. Just 2 rows of little dots around the edges of both wings. Butterfly is looking so real. Lastly, we're going to add a bunch of little flowers underneath. These are the flowers of the milkweed plant, the only plant that monarch caterpillars can eat. A great thing to do on a weekend is to buy some milkweed seeds and plant them for the butterflies to eat on their trip to Mexico every year. Milkweed in your yard is like a little McDonald's for them on their road trip. Quickly color in the flowers with pinks and purples. You can mix the colors together too.